I've seen a video of one South African woman, I say Ghana for you overreacted about we coming there to bring our citizens back home. Na me who video no na me sere na me busa me say maami e na wo pa kire ayaka de amode ye Ghana for ene manfra for mu we na say yes citizens ne so omu be fia o say omu overreacted tinko mu nya na yenkum omu meboa. In fact, me who video na omu nyina asaso airport wa so omu koye check-in no na me ra ho. Me hwe sade omo si bia tu kwan kwa kope bibia ba be di na afei akoda ne boro ene your friend is intimidation ni ade anyame anim nie arwe ho. Na asem ba kwa me ka kire mo se enyemwa de okum ni nantwi anadwoa. Sanse wo hwe oman mu ada bia me ka asem we se enka South Africa nya ba bia Ghana ni ba sore so okwa akobobra. Because enema ye wono omuni mufa so no nenso akwa ya reho sem kire se obi kan ye ama Ghana efritete ene yesu a na nkono South Africa ene hwan se wo sore so obi aba ho ba bebobra ena America de okum ni nantwi anadwoa na wo hwa Ghana fo mani bia se wonom kasa utim so omde wo yawo ene kasa
to stay here. I'm sick and tired of this country. I should have been fed. Look at how I am. I have been working as a teacher in this country. Not that Ghanaians are illegal, but the Home Affairs forced most of them to be illegal.
Woman ba ko krade o se mekọ o se mi kofie sanse mi ntimi ntena ha na mi ngu
last year me person me free chrome ha because situation that me buy ma nya hwi and I wanted to go back. I need to go back home.
Guy ba ko so no na nkope so o you footballer aches one South African team ba fana kra no ono omo nsa wo so a nanso o se dia ne de age so ba fie sanse stress ni ade e ba wo mo so no ano eden
local language. Unfortunately, I do not understand. They kicked me into the rain. Oh. Yeah, they kicked me into the rain. And it was after that day that I ran to the embassy. I said, no, I want to go home. They kicked me in the rain. I'm here looking for an opportunity to better my life in the sports department. I can show you on my phone. I've made contact with former Bafana players trying to help me because, yes, I have the talent. But if I'm here and my safety is under siege, then it brings to the question, why would you risk your life just to have a better living? So I better go home and then re-strategize.
I went for an asylum. I went to seek an asylum. I decided to go because they say we must go to our country and fix our country. So I'm going to help people to fix the country. We're going and fix our country.
Your man okoko your timber your lithium your there manganese ne ho anwani ne de keka ho. Nanso still akoya rehosem kofu we pa ade no omwo na me pa cho na me si mi bisa o enti eni South Africa ni bia o Ghana ha na me nkase bia de omde ye ne yenye omu bi na emom etoda eya na se obi kire wo se onimu adidi a na won so a kire ne se won so sene ne na so hunu because ade omo ye no areho na for this woman to come and sit on live television because Ghanaians are overreacting. Hey mama anka wodan ahokyere ntia ena me kan de okum ni nantwi anadwoa ne sere na ode akwakoye ye friend sen ne yan eno na ama na basa na nka 7 preduason enya tete na ama nkofo anya bia pempam anko no dokono ba ko ne hwan so okobu ko bia tikwa anitie abanisa.
In English it's a hyperbole ngezulu ihaba where I think the Ghanaian government really overreacted. I think it's disappointing, man. I think we've had a lot of respect for Ghana as a country and for the people of Ghana, and we still do. But for them to react in the way that they did is largely dishonest, because for them to claim that there were people who were beaten up when they know there were no people beaten up, and for the Minister of Police to even echo that is absolutely ridiculous. What we saw in that video was Victoria Africa talking to someone who had broken the laws of the country, come in illegally, come in legally and stay illegally, which is something a lot of foreign nationals do. And instead of them addressing that issue in a correct manner to say, listen, we noted that there's a citizen of ours who is in the country so broken the laws. These are our concerns, etc., etc. They decided to do a whole PR exercise that would paint South Africa as xenophobic. Very disappointing. And now we've got a lot of these Ghanaians on television actually telling us how they got into the country. Many of them are saying, I'm here in South Africa and I came on a visitor's visa, I'm staying here now, etc., etc. You know, those are the actual events, that there's a lot of law breakers in the country, and we are expecting.
Wa asama woken eyode. Mame, asama wa ankasa woken eyode. Asama woken yenhunu ni ti, yenhunu ne nan, ena yenhunu ne baabia. Akoya rewosem. So na abusia wo wie ya ena your friend say okọ Nigeria. Comedian ba kwa watu abetena Ghana, your friend Parrot ma. En wo chire mu say chese areho. Ade a South Africa for ye no. O say chese anu eden pa. Na abrante na react a utimi say wo de yaw na ka so hwese de Ghana. Yesi bi gi ahoho a Ghana for ma ne Nigeria for ma ko di South Africa. Ye o ma yaka de a. Oso wo obi ka kire South Africa for. Na nsa ne ye bekọ Parrot mouth for no. Me pacho moma ye ni dwe kakra. Gosling Company Limited, me pacho sabra me no ka say de omo ye property agency bia. Wono ma ba wono mo ton ejapade a esom botie wu. Ejapade a esom bo. Se luxurious cars nationwide. Me pacho wo pedan ato, wo pe plot ato. De wo part to bia no Gosling Company Limited. Company ye ba ya ache ye pa. Over years, isa ye no kredi enti no. Me pacho omo da so a omo wo. Enu nti wo dan na me pacho upe bi ato a unya bi nto no wadaroma. Make sure so be contact Gosling. Na enye nonko, we do not sell only. The yesan ne say ye boa wo ma wo fie na wo ton a akoye so be na aso no. O ka na asi wa acha wo ton a obi anto no. Wo de fa bren ye betua wo ka ji wo sika fama yen nye nton. Uni problem. Gosling nkwa na yes ade we. Abusia me pa chon. Momoni aso be wi achu akwan wo nkran ya. Accra Aveno Junction. Atinka TV. Na se Laboni opposite Mikado Plaza. Eho ena obehu yen. Sanso ne Kumasi nso pankro no Adabraka Ridge. Eho nso obehu yen osunyan efon enko Rex Story Building. Eho nso ho. Tamale nso ye wo STC Bus Terminal. Obehu Gosling Company Limited. Enso ewo ho. Uye interested. Se opese obeto ade wo ye ho. Anase ye ton wa ade ma wa. Se ye dan, se ye car, se ye asase a. Pepa cho free number ni sisi a 0536 343 999 0536 343 999 and 0533 327 700. Gosling Company Limited and Pepa cho odi ye ho bon ya esa asrobo a yekotokro enkasro no yanko ni yanko tie Parrot mouth emra sisi a.
With no apology, South Africans are the most useless and lazy people on earth. They don't like work. They don't like to do anything with their life. But when they see people, when they progress, they diverse. You think Ghana government is like Nigerian useless government. Ghana government care for their people. Ghana government think about their people. That be why when una started doing a rubbish, the minister, Honorable Samuel Blekum Atta, with the help of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, he said, bring back my people. And tomorrow they come back to Ghana. Make una take una useless country when people like say no belongs to now. I bet you 2 years from now, South Africa will suffer. South Africans will suffer because now the white South Africans, they say they need their own community. So una won't be black, una go suffer. I've been and they beg Ghanaians to increase on our license. One at the mind good, so now I won't do this. Meanwhile, on they develop the place, they don't talk about that one to show you how useless you people are. Nothing on that get nothing. And you open your mouth, they say Ghanaians take too hasty decision, blah blah blah. You think Ghanaians are like Nigerians when they don't care about their citizens, they don't think about their citizens. Shame on you, God forbid.
Parrot Martin Ichirimu say nyame anim nie South Africa for mo awudifo. Monye mo mammofo. No se ma me no kasa no odi ne ho yaw pa. Tinki enya ne nka fa se ka to ya minimu ansa. Ansa ne ehun sa ade a mo yen no enye. Yate, why? Yate. Kojon kansa lewe no odi ne nkotodwa agu fom se wosere. What is a movie industry na ban na twasika bi a wode eba abema wonom na wo mo de atere wo mo dwumem. A wo so what is mu 5 million kra no aba. En wo kire mu se ebe ya nka ban ne mfa ma obi a. Na emum ebre adwuma ne kọ fom no omo gina mu ahwe ma adwuma ne be gina ne na so no enka womo nhwe na sa nkofo no enso nsanka bi sade be ya ombetimi aye adwuma no na omo aye ne yi wodi nkotodwa agu fom a wo se wo sere se sika we die aban ne nhwe na nkodi nkofo hunu bi nsem ana nkofo kuo bi nsem amoma nkwango iska ne basa yenkotie kwadwo kansa lewe
arafo mi bi kotodwe me sega na mampanyi mi pa ne chew epa Ghana mpanifo epa finance minister chew esega na mpanifo nyina se wo se moving industry na kofom aban ne so wo boy 20 million Ghana said ya be she industry ni mu yesi mu 5 million ba omate committee at board members mesrem mpanifo no se seske mo hwe no mo nche na kwadintu omo nche ma omo movie ni kofom no 10 years to now omo kuyo mu sa atwa movie ni sa besine mo hwe na mo nche ma sa nkofo ni bi no madwuma na nkosonye kese na mpeja cause abawe adwene industry no dia munyama no nyefe na abana nim amanyam na obi kwaji sika we bi akosi ni fie obi sika akoto asase obaji we akwa hadan eso ni yaji da na adwuma no obu 5 years ni 8 years mo ntwa bu bi ada be sika we abai omkota more than half a man more than quarter the man aproje a onsan fanya adwuma no na wona ya adwuma no so a ho no ma omudi deserve adwuma peja ebe yempa amese mperifo no se omunche region bi anyene de no fonsan komo de asanto je ensan komo de enkansan komo de na nya kama nya sana mo che so de a munya sa fele no won fele no do ye movie na muni so twa movie no na busu woni ma de na busu bi ani ma de bara fere de aba bo so ni sa wona epeja adwuma no masre ebe ba pen aba bi de ka bai omusa ka bi no omudi what is baby 2 million Ghana cedi na 1 million Ghana cedi no the bear kakra bi say ah da ko twa say wo twa movie no no what did that kan nyina na ma penen maguase at this time scary aba no finance minister and Ghana mpanimfo and president abien ho dia nyama o mani manyam sampa ba we time no obo na sunu scan buy so mo de adwuma ma adwuma no in the sasa pija ko nanim anya sa na chia fa nchen dia sa chia moving ko for ye twa no enye brofo na ditwa he enye sebe enyini na ditwa he ye de bosia ni sika na etwa enye wa ko sku nye wa onuma de se sika ba na ye be cha enye wa ko sku enye wa onuma de na dabi monche na omu ye dwuma na omu ye dwuma no munim board members committee for machia no mese munim obu ono ba mo mani be mo musa no ana hwene records wo twas ni how many years ni sika obede what the phones aba obajibi omuji ombedi mitimsemo mom ka se we bada bai mitiwe metawe anwo munyi film we ga politics Ghana nda so ni hia na munchema nkura no awuwa mu se won ba mu ya adwuma no se panyini bai tens won ya adwuma na akura 2 years ya adwuma epija nda so na won dey say america no dey ya adwuma ni more kwa de wan to besika no start ya wa yes abesinde se ni ban dey say many bi na obua ema movie no ekoso na aba na nije timesre minse me na muntimi nche nyame he ho be che game reason be ho be che game na sebe no abaga na ya ma mbida ready I was see ewu mu bi na mo ma me bi 5 million kwa nkade ka bai come be 2 million before answer ni nyina ba wi a mo di ba ka mo ho ko ye dwuma ya na no den hwe I can't call Ghana hwe katim don already misa a lot ade ba bo man no amanda se na pagya ne hion hey mo de fele bla na wona ni mara akofele ya de le ma sisi ma beje ko na wona won ma fele no we ga fele asem munim akuguda fo na eyi adwuma no please mesre Ghana ma mpanyini wadama ne mpanimfo committee mo manim ko ho yi ibeje akodi ibeje awo mfantwa na amwa na begu abawe nanum ase sika we ye bia gi a mo make sure say committee for call runs akọ check say mo twa no mo nyantu mo ntwa ya na aboa amanim nya abagana na mu de su na sa pija we anje o abacha ma nya bi reason be nya bi na o gara ba Yesa njo ndo mama Ghana man penyini we salute you Ghana pen phone nyina salute you guys nya me nhia mu nyina I love you guys ha abacha Stenaro na wutwa phone wada ma say rubber na how to send them rare phone is the best for everyone
me dini DJ K me da se so je bre na hwe me make sure So be subscribe to channel and press the notification button for more updates. Macrow, bye bye.